Hello. So sometimes we can have a situation where instead of getting an output like this, we may need have two names like first name and last name, and we might need to concatenate them for the purposes like full name you might need. So what happens is we might have to concatenate, but because our default tables is not there, not having two options, so I'm creating a new table, name testing, with the values of employee number, first name and last name. So let's just create this first. Okay, it has been created. Now I would like to insert some values, so I have written commands for 4 lines. Okay, all the rows have been inserted. So lastly we might need to select okay, this is our 4 table, first name and last name. Now what we need is we want to be able to read the we want to be able to get the whole name, so select emp number. Okay, what we need is first name and last name, so first concatenate with last from table name is name testing. We got the result, but there is no space. So what we do is this operator, that's double single line, is your concatenation operator. We'll concatenate again, sorry. Okay, now what do we need to concatenate with another string which is in single quote. Now you can have any value, but all we need is a space. So running this, we get name has space, employee number is good, but we also have this part is very odd, so we'll just correct it up by name. Better. Now there can also be a situation that okay, you got your result, but you don't want just the name and stuff, you might want some more details like the name and employee number, both of it. So what we do is we write select, and within this we can write our own string from name testing. Okay, now what can our string be? The employee number of employee so and so is this, so the employee number of, now we want the name, so instead of name what you do is you concatenate it with the original name. What is the original name? The name is available in first. Okay, but you might also need Mr. Miss some suffix, because we have created all with names as male, we'll write it as Mr. first name. Next you want a space, so space is in single quote. Next you want the last name to be included, so last, and then you can continue with your rest of the statement. Then employee number of Mr. space first name space last name, followed by, it should have another space after last name, is space. Now you need the number, so number can be added by simply stating what is it, emp number. Okay, so we run this query and you get the employee number of Mr. John Doe is 1, employee number of Johnny Don is 2, employee number of Joshua Dope is 3, and employee number of Mr. James Dole is 4. Okay, so this concludes our video for now.